Here we are at 419 Groveview. This is a beautiful 90s 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with access to the Somerset Ridge community amenities, such as a pool and a clubhouse. In addition to the 3 bedrooms, has this formal dining room, which could be used as an office. This office, which was discussed as an optional bedroom. It wouldn't have a closet, but it does have a lot of shelves. It's about 10 feet by 11 feet. And a proper primary suite and modern open floor plan. With gas fireplace by eat-in area. And what may be the world's coolest or kitschiest microwave. There's multiple ways to bring the home and entertaining to the exterior. It connects in 3 places just by the kitchen table in this spacious and curvaceous primary suite, as well as off the living room. Now that is a hot tub, a deck. The deck is large enough for a large outdoor table. And then you've got a barn door and a bathroom. And it overlooks the downtown area. It's on 0.31 acres, but a lot of that acreage is not something you'd be mowing and maintaining and using due to the hillside. Some of the newer things in this bathroom are these little cabinets here and here. But overall it has the huge walk-in closet, a shower, soaker tub, and a separate toilet commode nook. The shower is nice and spacious, about 4 feet wide. And the soaker tub with the window above it is kind of a popular feature these days. Here's your door. This is just a curtain over here. And there's some signs of settling, but the HVAC, I haven't seen the AC yet, but the HVAC is newer in terms of the furnace. The hot water heater looked newer. And that's a slider also to the backyard. Closet, bar with fridge, pantry or Wi-Fi closet. This carpet has really nice padding under it. The carpet itself isn't brand new by any means, but this room is really large and it has nice padding. There's just some imperfections and touch-up paint needs. But the 3-car garage certainly offers storage for lots of toys and maybe even a whole nother separate office area. It has the window and the service door, and we'll see if there's room on the outside for another little office thingy, shed. Here we have the second bathroom. And then another little side yard area.